Abhay done an experiment. Let's see what it is. Hi Abhay.
Hi.
What you prepared? Show me.
This is a fire alarm.
Okay. Where it is used?
It is used in hospitals, railway stations and airports.
Okay. Why it is used?
It is used because when the fire burns in any hospitals or railway stations, it gives indication to the workers and the fire engine will come and save the people.
How it is made?
It is made up of a battery, connector, buzzer, switch, sensor.
Okay. How will it work?
It will work as
I'll show you.
Can I give it? You try it.
Oh, and like this, the doctor will go. Oh, good.
Thank you.
Show me the circuit diagram.
This is the circuit diagram.
How it will work? Show me. Nice experiment, Abhay. Well done.
Thank you.
Keep it up.